Alright everybody, guess this is kind of a continuation from yesterday. This is the next step I take. Got the handles rough shaped off the grinder. But for me, there's only so much I can do with the grinder to get it right. I prefer to come in here with hand tools. Get round, half round, a flat, all those files, a bunch of these little needle files. They don't last too awful long, but they help getting in these tight corners and stuff. You can see on this one, I'm not perfectly matched up right here. I don't know, I can just do better work this way as far as the finishing process goes. This is my main sanding tool. It's a very expensive piece of brass rod and some fuel line, but I've used this since my first knife and works good. This one is a hardened piece of 01. You want a rigid backing when you're coming in here on these loveless bolts or pins, whatever the case may be. You don't want to be able to feel them. You want those just to blend in with the handle material. Some people think I'm a perfectionist. I'm not a perfectionist, I don't think. I'm more of a realist. I mean, you want the knife to look good, but you also want it to be comfortable, ergonomic. It should just melt right in your hand. It should feel like a part of your hand. There's nothing worse than having to use a knife and it having an uncomfortable place in it, or a sharp spot gouging you somewhere. But this is pretty much it, and lots of sandpaper. That's all 220. I come off the grinder at 220, so I'm going to start at 220 on hand sanding. And usually go around 600-800 grit on micarta. But this antique paper micarta is the biggest pain in the butt I've ever seen to get right. It just, every time you touch metal with the sandpaper, it just dirties up the micarta. It's just a total pain, but looks good when it's done. And I always like a challenge, but I'm gonna get set up, get going. I may film a little bit of that. So here it goes. Right in here, this is where this half round comes in pretty handy. The round will work if you watch what you're doing, but if you let it dig in, then you're going to have little divots everywhere. The flat, you're going to dig in almost every time and just get lines right in here that you're going to have to smooth back out. But half round's your friend right here. Alright. It's pretty well got everything straightened up. Now, it's on to some sandpaper to really dial it in, so I won't bore you all with that, and maybe take a few still shots or do a video of them after I get them all shaped up and everything. Alright, y'all, got all these sanded up to 220 grit. I'll take some still shots when I get in the house. I'm getting ready to call it a night. Went ahead and shaped this one while I was out here. But I'll take some still shots when I get in the house so y'all can see them better. I need to get these in the house. Get a little oil on them. Sure, they draw some moisture out here in this building, but I always take the paper towels off and oil them up because they rust easy, especially out here in the shop where it's not temperature controlled. But I'll take some still shots and put them along with the video. Thanks for watching.